Welcome to the Easy Tech Fixit channel, and this is a quick video to give you a link where you can download Windows 10 and particularly Windows 10 May 2020 update. So it's official. Windows 10 May 2020 update was released last week and is available for download in the Microsoft website that is here. You can download the image, or you can download and create a media creation tool. You can use the image to actually create a USB flash drive, bootable flash drive, or you can of course create a DVD with the ISO file. So you go to this page, and if you want to download it, you just go down to Download Tool Now. When you download the tool and run it, you'll see that you'll have the option to upgrade your PC from the tool or create an installation media. There you click Next. It will automatically give you the same version you already have. But if you want to use something, another language, or use a version for a different computer, you can remove the little check mark here and then choose the edition, choose the language, and so on of what you want, 32, 64 bits. And then click Next and download the image on your PC. So that you will have the possibility of creating a bootable media that you can do a clean install with, and keep, of course, the good old version of Windows 10 and upgrade it, and you can create a something that is required to, if there's a problem on your PC, for example, to reinstall Windows. So it's available, and I'll post the link to this website in the description below the video. It's the place where you can download Windows 10 image. Remember, it's not free. If you are not on Windows 10, this is not a free ride to Windows 10. This is just, you can download it, you can install it, you'll have 30-day trial. After that, it's going to block certain functionalities if you don't activate. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.